So what can you tell us, what is the latest from where you are right now?
Voting here in Homa Bay County started just about an hour ago in some areas, in some polling stations. There are some that are still waiting for the polling materials. My colleague Mark Namaswa has been going around in areas like Rusinga and Mbita, where he says he's not seen much activity since morning. Though guys, voters woke up very, very early in the morning and have been waiting patiently and quietly. But where I am at a school called Shauri Yako Primary School in Homa Bay town. They started voting just about an hour ago at around 11, and the returning officer has told me that they have agreed with the voters that although those who are in the queues, those who are turning up seem to be more than the ballot papers that have been brought here, they will improvise as they go along. What they have right now are about 900 ballot papers against a registered voter population of about 1,500. But right now, let me also bring in my colleague Mark Namaswa to tell us what he has been seeing in other areas of Homa Bay County. Mark, if you could just brief us exactly where have you been, which areas have you visited, and what have you seen there?
No, we've been to about we've been across three constituencies, that is Ndiwa, that is Mbita, and at the moment we are now at Homa Bay Town constituency. Now, further west towards Rusinga Island, as you make your way between Rusinga Island coming to Mbita Town and along the road, the polling stations there, people have been waiting since 6 a.m. They have not been able to vote, but they are saying that they are staying put. They're not leaving the polling stations until they are able to vote. But at the moment, there is no sign of any ballot papers across those polling stations that we've been to. The first one we went to was Mbita Fish Banda polling station. We also went to Usare Primary School. We also passed through Kaswanga Primary School and Kamsama Primary School also. And the last station that we've just left about 20 minutes ago was in Ndiwa constituency, the polling station along the road known as Malela Primary School. Still, there's no sign of any voting material or any nomination exercise taking place anytime soon.
Betty, you heard from Mark Namaswa what is going on in other areas of Homa Bay County. What I have seen, what I saw on the way to this particular polling station is that the security presence here is quite heavy, although there doesn't seem to be much chaos going on, or the complaints are quiet. People are quietly complaining that the delay is terrible. It's not what they expected. But let me also allow our viewers to listen to the returning officer here at Shauri Yako Primary School, just to tell us why they started this late and what exactly is going on right now. Sir, good afternoon. If you could just start by telling our viewers what your name is and also explaining to us why we started as late as 11 a.m.
I'm Vincent Otieno, the presiding officer of this polling station. The voting exercise started late due to the arrival of materials. We received the materials at around 10, and the dispatch process took a lot of time. We also had transport hitches, but finally we came. So we found a big group of voters that had come, and we started. We had to tell them the process, the procedures, and we agreed. And the voting started around 11 a.m.
Now that we started that late, 11 as opposed to 6 a.m., how late in the day do you expect to allow this process to go on? When do you expect to close the polling and also to start the tallying?
The official closing time is 5, but when that time finds voters still on the queue, we shall allow them to vote. So it will be dependent on the number of voters who shall be at the queue at that time.
We also had you negotiate with those who are here in the queues and your clerks and the agents. And we hear that you say in case the balloting material is not enough, you will improvise. How do you intend to improvise?
No. I didn't say that. What I said, we are waiting for the returning officer to bring us more ballot papers. So we are waiting for them to bring them. And we hope they'll be here before that time comes.